Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the price setting that we have got in the classified ad listing WordPress theme. So obviously if you are creating one classified website, then one of the main focal point that you have in your mind is how you can make a revenue out of it, and this price setting enables you to do one. Okay, so with price setting, what you can do is you can put up the packages on your website wherein the users can come and choose any of the packages, and accordingly their advertisements will be displayed on the classified website. So that is the price setting. You can put up a free ad or premium ad or recurring ad payment. So let's get a deep insight on how exactly it works. So here you can see I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and as soon as you will activate this classic craft theme, you will be seeing these two options here. One is classified and the other is settings. We already discussed about this classified and all of those settings over here. So today we are going to discuss about pricing. So you can see pricing here, just click on it and you will be presented with this price settings over here. Now the first option we have gotten is the free payment package. Now let's see price package title. From here you can edit the package title. It's written free business ad. Instead of that, if you want to provide any other app title, you can provide that from here. Then you have got the description of the price package, so you can describe the price packages in your own words. That is optional, that is not needed. It's written here, it's optional. And then you have got the package cost. Obviously it's free, so it's $0. There is no price, it's free. And the ad active period, it will be active for 4 months. After 4 months the advertisement will be expired. That is the duration for the free ads to display on the classified website. And then this is the ad renewal period. Here you can set the period for renewing the expired ad, that is 0 days in case of free advertisement. Then here is the status, that is active. It means that it will be showed up on the website. I'll show you. For example, this is a travel and tourism related advertisement, and this is the payment page, and here is the package free business ad. You can see cost $0, valid up to 4 months. So no charge for placing your classified ad. You won't receive any leads. I showed you the lead capture form in the advertisements back in my videos. So obviously when the customer will put up any leads, they won't be able to receive any leads in case of free business advertisement. And the ad expire up to 4 months. You can reactivate later. So that is the active status. If you put it as deactive, then this package will not be showed up in this page. Okay, it will be hidden. So that is the status. I'll put it up as active. And then you have this one-time payment package. You can again edit the title from here, provide the description as per your package, and then the package cost over here is $26. It is not at all necessary that you need to put $26. It depends upon your cost, how much you are excited to make money. You can increase the package cost, but do notice that it should be affordable and reasonable, otherwise no one will be coming to your website to place their classifieds. And then you have this ad active period. This package will be active for around 6 months, and the status is active. It means it is showing up here. Yes, exactly, it is showing up here. One-time ad payment, you can see. And then price settings for featured ad. Now obviously the person will be paying for the ad. Now you have got other two options here, that is feature ad status. So I'll show you what is feature ad status. For example, the person is choosing one-time ad payment. Now you can see you have gotten two options here. Yes, feature this listing on homepage, so you have to pay $12 extra. Feature this listing on category pages, then the person has to pay $10 extra. So that is this featured ad, price setting for featured ad. So amount to be charged for featuring on homepage slider, it's written 12. That is what it is displaying here. We have got 10. For category page slider, you can see 10 here, and when you will choose this, it will sum up the amount and it will show up here. That is $48 altogether. So you can vary the prices from here, the amount, and that is the one-time payment package. Now you have got a recurring payment package. Now the word itself says that it is recurring. It's gonna be a recurring payment, right? So for every month it will be coming in. So you can again edit the title here. You can provide with the description here, whatever your recurring payment is all about. And then you have the first price. Price for the first period of subscription, it is $36 here. That will be active for 1 month. Okay, and then rebill time. This is a number of payment which will occur at the second price. Here the second price is $15. So the second time the price will be $15. All right, and it will be for 6 months. So $15 for every 6 months in 12 installments. That is written here. Rebill time, charge second price into 12 installment. If you are choosing rebill second price until cancelled, that means till the user will cancel his advertisement or delete his advertisement from your classified, just go on rebilling the second price, that is $15. So that is the rebill second price until cancelled, or else charge the second price for every 6 months in 12 installments. And then again the status is active. You can see recurring ad payment, it is showing up here. And then you have again the price settings for featured ad, it is showing up active. When you will choose, yes, it is showing. I'll just show you. Let's choose this, it will be gone. And then when you will choose this, again it is here. So that is $22 for featuring on homepage slider, and for featuring it on categories page slider you have gotten $15. So in this way you can mention the price packages, the payment packages on your website for the classifieds that are coming in, and in this way the persons can choose any of the packages they want and they can go ahead with their payment. So that is the pricings we have got in here. Then the payment setting, PayPal sandbox mode. PayPal sandbox mode is like it provides you with a virtual testing environment, and so you can watch your application process the request. All right, and it will not use the live PayPal account. It's just a PayPal sandbox mode, and it is used for testing purpose. So if you want to keep your PayPal on the sandbox mode, you can choose yes or no from here. Right now it is no. And then you can also choose this enable IPN debug. IPN is like instant payment notification as soon as the payment is made. If you want to send an email to the admin, then enable that from here. Since we are not choosing it for the sandbox mode, obviously it is choosing no here. And then this is the merchant ID. You can add up your account email, PayPal email over here. And if it's not in sandbox testing mode, if it is in sandbox testing mode, then you have to enter your sandbox email just to check whether it is working properly or not, or else if you are using it for the real-time payment, then use the real PayPal account email over here. All right, and then you can save the changes. So that is the PayPal setting. You can edit the payment option settings from here. And then you have got manage currency. The default currency here is US dollars, and you have gotten so many currencies here, so you can choose any of the currencies. Japanese, Malaysian, Mexican, lot more. So you can choose any of the currencies here and save all the changes. So that is the pricing settings we have got in our Classic Craft WordPress theme, and this will basically help you with the main purpose of this theme, that is making your revenue. And I hope this video will help you understand how you can put up the price settings to make a good money out of your classified business. So this is how make the settings. And one personal suggestion, put up the packages like reasonable, okay? Or else you will be getting on the nerves of your customers. So thanks so much for watching. Enjoy creating websites with InkThemes. Thank you.